Jujube Lily Tremella Soup is a nutritious traditional Chinese medicine diet, mainly made of natural medicinal materials, such as red dates, lily, and tremella. This soup has many traditional Chinese medicine effects, such as nourishing yin and blood, moistening dryness and relieving cough, and calming the nerves to help sleep. Red dates are rich in vitamin C, iron, sugar, and other nutrients, which can effectively nourish blood and qi, soothe the nerves and help sleep, and at the same time promote gastrointestinal mobility and enhance digestion and absorption. Lily ball has the characteristic of sweet, slightly bitter, and slightly cold in nature. It can nourish yin and moisten the lung, clear heat and diuresis, calming the mind and calm the nerve. It can also produce body fluid, relieve cough, and replenish qi. Tremella is mild in nature, sweet in taste, and non-toxic. It has multiple functions such as clearing heat and detoxifying, nourishing yin and moistening lungs, nourishing stomach, and promote body fluid. And it is also effective in treating disease such as lung heat and cough. In fact, the nourishing effect of tremella is comparable to that of bird's nest. To sum up, Jujube Lily Tremella Soup has the significant effect on relieving physical weakness, insomnia, and coughing. In addition, its natural ingredients make it a good food for nourishing and strengthening the body, and it also has a positive effect on improving immunity and strengthening resistance. To make the soup, soak tremella and lily ball in clean water. Wash red dates. Chop tremella into smaller pieces. Put all ingredients into the slow cooker. Add water and cook until tender and thicken. Add rock sugar to taste.